It's easy to bike to work every day on Ford GoBike.
It's a super smooth experience. You guys have tons of docks everywhere. It's super amazing. I love it. Totally wouldn't be able to get around without it.
I use the Ford GoBikes to get between like home and school.
With Ford GoBike, you'll never have to worry about locking up and losing your personal bike.
And it's really great to be able to have a commute where I'm not leaving my means of transportation like my bicycle out all day, every day, because I have had multiple bicycles stolen.
When I first got to the city, I didn't have a lot of money. I had a bike, I had a backpack and stuff. All that got stolen within like the first week. So having the Ford GoBikes around and I can dock them, I don't have to worry about locking them up, and they're everywhere. So that's been a huge plus for me.
With Ford GoBike, your Clipper card gives you access to bikes at major Bay Area destinations. Pay as you go or invest in a year-long membership.
I have about 1 or 2 days a week that I might use the bike in San Francisco to get to one of my jobs there. I'm taking the Ford GoBike for that.
You can get places faster.
It's easy, it's fast, and it's everywhere.